Susan here again, and today I have an unboxing, my second brand new RC, brand new out of the box. This is exciting. If you don't know the history, I sold my Wheelie King and we went out and bought a tank exactly like this, and I gave it to my husband Kev, Kevys Rc Music, as an anniversary present. And he just sold his Telluride and he bought me a tank. So be prepared, once I've gotten some driving practice, be prepared for war games on Kev's channel and on mine with these tanks. We have some exciting plans in the works. We've been talking about it. And anyway, let's get on with the unboxing. This is the first tank I've ever had, so I'm kind of interested in learning how to work the tracks and stuff. It is 1/20th scale. It is 2.4 gigahertz, and it says it's splash proof. So by that I think they mean just maybe midway on the wheels, nothing submerged. So it's by Hobby Engine, and it's the M1A1 Abrams tank. And let's get this puppy out of the box, see what it's about. Kev got to do his unboxing. This is my tank, so I get to unbox it. Alright, there she is. That is a nice tank. I like the color scheme on that one. They do have, you know, like camouflage, like the tan color. I like this green. This is kind of cool. Let's see. They've screwed the remote onto the cardboard. Keep it stationary, I guess, during shipping, which is a good idea. Don't want things crashing around and being damaged. So, there's the remote. I like this, that it's got no big sticking out aerial thing. It's very easy and compact. Very simple too. There isn't a whole lot on there. Off on, I guess these are the tracks, the turret movement, and the sound. On and off sound. So, that's pretty simple. Let's see. This is taped down pretty good, and I don't want to wreck it. Seems kind of thin, but there we go. This is the aerial, or pretend aerial, I guess. It's all plastic, so there's nothing really aerial about that, but there we go. Anyway, I'll free the little driver guy. You get a driver. He's pretty good detail-wise. See if I can show you. But he's pretty good detail wise. He's got the earphones on, camo, just like the tank. His arms do move, so you can position them how you like. Okay, put him aside. Now let's get to the tank. Let's see. They got spinning knobs on this one. That's good. No more screwdriver needed. Coupler. There we go. And it's free. Alright. That's empty cardboard. This is now empty. Put it aside. Okay, here's the tank itself. Yay! Okay, in the box you also get a 25% off coupon for Infinicell by Nextech. We bought this at the source, or rather Kev did. I bought his at the source as well. But it's got a basic manual. It's not very big. In here, I take the plastic off of there and the plastic off of here. They tape them down. Under this one is the on and off switch, and in this one is where you put your guy. The lid is easily removed. I guess if you don't want to use the lid on it, then they make it so you can take it off. You have to adjust his arms up so that he'll fit in there. Don't want to break him. There he is. Alright, so anyway, there you go. So this is on and off switch, and the batteries go in here, and this is very simple. I'm glad there's an actual lock for this cover, so it can't fall off. But I'm also glad that it doesn't have the need for screwdrivers, so you can change them on the fly. I like that. There's 6 AA's that you need to buy, and 9-volt for the remote. So I will be getting this thing up and running and doing some practice with it before Kev gets to battle me. We got lots of batteries and a 9-volt, and they are Infinicell, which is what they suggest for this. So there you go. Anyway, stay tuned for running footage as I try this out and get used to the controls and stuff. But I just wanted you to see, I now have a tank as well. So Kev, if you're watching this, the war is on. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.